Hello guys, welcome back once again. Today I fully explain the all about the GATE exam in detail. So if you are in a 4-year degree program in undergraduate degree, so you are eligible for this exam to write this exam. So if you are not eligible, please skip this video. So let's go start it for this video. So basically, GATE exam is a graduate aptitude test in engineering. If you are interested to admission in IITs, IIS, so it's really very big opportunity. All of you guys, you are eligible for the admission in the IITs after clearing this exam. And this exam conducted by the IIS and triple ITs, I mean IITs, 7 IITs like IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Madras, IIT Roorkee, IIT Kanpur, IIT Kharagpur and IIT Guwahati. These 7 IITs are conducting this exam year by year, and this exam कंडक्टेड वंस ए ईयर, एक साल में एक ही बार ये एग्ज़ाम होता है. एंड यूजुअली इन द मंथ ऑफ द फेबररी, फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ द फेबररी ये एग्ज़ाम कंडक्ट किया जाता है. एंड now what's the benefit if you are write this exam and clear this exam with a good score? So here is many benefits you achieve in after this exam. So basically, if you are interested to go in IITs, so it's really very good. You are taking admission in a higher education like MTech and PhD in IITs, triple ITs, NITs and IIS. It means Indian Institute of the Science in Bangalore. So what's the here now I telling you what's the eligibility criteria for this exam to write this exam. So first is age limit. Here in this exam, not age limit are fixed. You are any year of old. I mean, if you are any years or you are eligible for this exam. And second thing, numbers of limitation for this exam to write this. So not it is unlimited. You are in my case I found this whose teacher who's like जो हमारे प्रोफेसर होते थे वो आज भी ये एग्ज़ाम राइट कर रहे हैं. आई डोंट नो वाई, बट दे आर लुकिंग फॉर दी PSUs. सो बेनिफिट्स में अगर बात करें तो हायर एजुकेशन आप कर सकते हो. एंड सेकंड बेनिफिट ये होता है कि अगर आप गुड स्कोर करते हो, इफ़ यू आर पिक अप द गुड स्कोर लाइक top 100 in Rinker, so you are eligible for the applying the government exam without any other exams. You direct go in the government jobs. So it's really very good. You are eligible for the PSUs without any exam after this GATE exam. And third benefit is कि आपको monthly stipend भी मिलता है if you are taking the admission in the IITs, NITs, triple IITs in other government colleges after write this exam and clear this exam. And I think stipend was स्टाइपेंड होता है कि लाइक 12,400 पर मंथ आपको दिया जाएगा आफ्टर क्लियरिंग दिस एग्ज़ाम एंड एडमिशन इन अ कॉलेज. For the if you are we are talking about the eligibility criteria, so no age limit in this and it's unlimited. if you are interested कि इस साल भी मेरे को देना है, अगले साल भी देना है, आप दे सकते हो. so don't worry about this. एंड अगर हम बात करें वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एजुकेशन क्वालिफिकेशन, तो आप किसी भी अंडर ग्रेजुएट डिग्री प्रोग्राम का अगर आपको एडमिशन है, आप अगर एडमिशन हो उसमें, तो अगर आप इन अ थर्ड ईयर, इन द फाइनल ईयर, इफ़ यू आर ऑलरेडी ग्रेजुएटेड फ्रॉम दिस लाइक BTech and other IT sectors in a 4-year degree program, so you are really eligible for this exam. अगर हम बात करें नाउ कि इनका फॉर्म कब निकलता है, तो firstly I telling you that is I already write this exam 2 times in a 2025 and 2026, but some of reason I don't pass this. I'm not eligible to go there, so now I'm restarted this preparation for the GATE exam because I'm interested to going there IITs, because in a 12th I thinking कि मेरे को IITs में जाना है, तो जे क्लियर नहीं हो सका. सो इट्स रियली आफ्टर दिस BTech मुझे लगता है कि इट्स रियली वेरी बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी टू मी एंड फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू गाइज इफ़ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू गोइंग इन IITs. So it's really very big opportunity. I know I'm a beginner, don't think about me. How can I telling you? My English speaking is really very, I think, average, not a higher. I mean, I think a lot ki every person is starting from the zero to hero, like this. If you are watching this video till the end, please comment which degree you are pursuing. So it's really very helpful for me. If you want to share something about me and my vocab, so write in the comment. And so it's all about this GATE exam. If you interested to write this exam, before this exam I think it's conducted in February month. So 8 month is left. 8 महीने की तैयारी आपकी होनी चाहिए, ये मैं पर्सनली बता सकती हूँ. इसमें मैंने कभी तैयारी नहीं की इसकी, पर 8 मंथ तो होना चाहिए किसी भी एग्ज़ाम की प्रिपरेशन करने के लिए. So it's really all about this. Thank you guys to watching this till the end, and I am Nikita, and share this video and comment, like, and bye bye everyone.